Maintenance in an industrial setting like a manufacturing operation or factory is a huge cost of doing business and a difficult one to do well to minimize downtime and maximize output. And Simon, with Senseye, you've created a platform that's helping prioritize, flag, and manage the 5 alarm fires in a given maintenance shift. What is the platform doing to achieve that?
It's a software-only platform. We generally take data that already exists on the factory floor. And that's a big CapEx consideration anyway for the factory owners who don't want to spend on another 1,000 sensors. So if you can take data that's already out there in the machines and make sense of it, you're helping them from an outlay perspective. So every machine will fail in different ways. Some will be environmentally impacted by hot weather. Others will be age. Others will be operator misuse. The data that you use to give the best insight tends to be vibration, pressure. Current is quite a good one. Current as in electric current, because a very low cost measure to be able to pull out.
How do you replace the 25-year veteran who can sense or feel or hear a slight difference in that machine and say, well, that bearing is about to go?
You will always have a human in the loop, at least at the moment, to give that last judgment call. But what you want to do is give them as much information as possible so they can make that judgment in a timely way without having to look at 1,000 machines. Says, look, this machine's failing. Our attention index has shown that. Here's why it's failing. This is the anomalous data. This is maybe some of the maintenance events that happened on it in the last few weeks. Now, Mr. Maintenance Engineer, what should we do? And we've had this with customers where they have a small maintenance team of 2 people who are currently running around looking at 2,000 machines, but maybe only those ones which they worry most about, and all the others are sort of left. And what you can do with platforms like Senseye is to give them each 1,000 eyes to continuously monitor 24/7 all the machines and highlight which ones are failing.
When you think about the idea of ultimately completely automating the maintenance process, are we far away from that?
So I think the only thing you're missing is the actual person to replace the failing component, say a bearing's going in the robot. In terms of alerting them when something's going wrong, that's happening. In terms of being able to automatically procure the component that's failing, you can do that already with work orders and commercial systems and ERP systems to do that. So the only thing missing is that,
the physical...
you need that robot almost to come in there and replace the component.
Is that where we're headed?
I think so, eventually, yes. I think we have to. I think globalization's driving us there. But that last bit, you're looking probably a good 10 years away.
From the customers you've deployed so far, what has been the ROI to leveraging the Senseye platform?
So for us, we've been quite fortunate because we have a very automated product, so we can normally get ROIs within 3 months.